Alrighty guys, this is my new toolbox. I'm going to go through it real quick. I traded this one for that red and black one I had, the Craftsman bottom and the snap-on top. This is a little bit bigger than that one, plus it matches in color. So it's been working out for me. I really like this box and I don't plan on getting another one. But anyway, we got junk up here. Stuff and junk. More stuff. Chisels, punches, blah, blah, blah. That's my personal drawer. More junk, more stuff. Stuff. More stuff. This is stuff and junk and stuff. More inches, metric crow footies, shorties, flare nuts. This is AC stuff, repairs and whatnot. Electrical, disc and drum brake tools. I do a lot of drums and, well, a lot of brakes. Master ball joint kit with some wire brushes. Air tools, junk, more stuff. This is a big drawer full of stuff. But yeah, that's my box. I absolutely love it. I don't plan on getting another box. But this was just a quick update. I'll probably make a more in-depth detail video on this, but when I get the time. But right now, I want to go home. See you guys.